Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to implement buying of coins inside your app, right? So this is my demo uh video on YouTube, so you have to go and watch it if you want to see what we are going to implement at the end of the day. So we have a list of things that we need to do. So the first thing that we'll do now is to configure testing, right? So to configure testing, you will need to have your emulator or your physical device, right? Then also you'll have to have the Google Play console account. So open up Google Play console account. Then the first thing that you need to do is go to the left hand side of the menu, scroll down until you see license testing. Then when you get to license testing, you need to use your Gmail account of the Google Play console, right? So this is the Gmail account. To add it here, you need to just put it there, just type it there. And then press enter, then it will be added here. Then you will save the changes. This is the first step. Then the second step is to go to your app. Make sure your app is already published on Play Store, so it should be available on Play Store, right? So go inside the app, therefore go to testing, internal testing, go to testers, then create an emailing list if you don't have one, then open it, then add the same email here. You add it there, then you press enter, it will be added here. Then you will save the changes, then make sure you tick mark it like that. Then you will copy this link and send it to you. Then you'll join this internal testing program, right? Then you need to go to your app, add this billing client, add this billing client library, then go to your manifest and add this permission, then build your app, then upload it to internal testing, then make sure it's available to internal testers, which are these testers. Therefore you need to resume track, right? So for now it's already running. For an example, let me just pause it, then you will see resume track. Then that's when it's available to the internal testers, right? So then if you're happy with the changes, then you can just promote this to production. So the second step is to go to your device, go to Play Store, then log in with the same Gmail account. This Gmail account, it should be the same with this one that is inside the testers, this one. And when you go outside all apps, then you go to license testing, it should be the same email, right? So now we need to move on to the next step, is to create products, right? So to create products, you need to go to your app, select the app, then go to monetize, go to in-app purchases, in-app products, sorry. you go into in-app product. So you create a new product. So what we are going to do here is look at the demo. Let's see. If you look at the demo, you will see that there is a price and there is a description, which is, oh, this is gonna be the name and the description. This is the product ID, then this is the price, this is the name, right? So we can just name our product like this, 10 coins ID. So 10 coins ID. Then to the name, just give it 10 coins like this. This name, we are going to use it to display it on our product listing. This is gonna be the product name, then this one is gonna be the price, right? So go back. So under description, you can have the same thing. Then under the price, you can set a new price. So 10 points, let's just sell them for 7 rand. Apply changes. Then for this one, let's just leave it as it is. I will show you how to do more than one quantity in one transaction, right? So save and activate. So I'm gonna cut this video here. There you go. So now we have got all three products, which are these ones, the 10, 20 and 50. So what we're gonna do is go to our we have this one. So now we are done with creating our products, right? So now we move on to configuring our project and implementing in-app purchases in order to sell coins inside your app, right? So as always, I do have a repository for you guys to copy and paste. Go to the repository, which is in-app purchases subscription. Then when you look on the code, then you will see that there is buy coins AMD. Then open up these files. This is the file that I documented for you guys to copy and paste these steps, right? So now the new thing is these two arrays. Then there is product ID, and then there is coins. Then for product IDs, storing all these IDs there. And then for each ID, there is a certain coin that I want to give the user. As you can see there, 10 coins ID, it gets 10 coins. So when you scroll down, as usual, you'll see all the functions that we're gonna implement. So when you click that, then it will take you to the relevant block of code, right? So now the first thing that we need to do is to add these dependencies into our project. Then you need to add this permission inside your manifest file. So let's go ahead and open our project. Then when I open my project, this is what I will see, because I already have a project that is already set up. So when I go to my manifest, just to confirm, I do have the permissions there. Then when I open up my build Gradle file, then here's the dependencies that I need. You also need these two additional dependencies, because there is a functionality that we also gonna need these two files, two dependencies, right? So now close that, and expandjava.com. Then this is our activity. This is our activity where we're going to implement our buying of coins, right? So if we open up our XML file, you will see that there is an image, then a text view, then there is a recycler viewer that we're going to use it to list our products. Then we have a text view to display the number of coins. We also have a button here which we use, which it says use coins. Then that's it about our activity buy coin. So guys, this one is our buy coin activity, right? So as you can see, we've got few errors. So we gonna fix all these errors, don't worry. The activity, it implements a reset clear viewer interface. This interface is going to handle our click on our product. For an example, let me just play this video. So as you can see, this is a product. Then the user, when they click this product, the interface is going to open the purchase flow, right? What is the purchase flow? Yes, it's this one, right? So once they click the product, then the recycler viewer is going to open up this purchase flow, which is this interface. So another error that we have got is the buy coins adapter. This adapter, it's going to handle all the products. Ne? It's going to list all the products into our recycler view. Then again, you need to declare a billing client there, and also you need to declare a product details list, which is of type product details. These product details, it's coming from the billing client, right? The billing client dependencies. So this is what you need to declare. And also these two arrays, right? So the first one is going to hold the coins. Then the second one is a string, it's going to hold the product IDs. So now we are starting with implementing our in-app purchases, right? So to begin, you need to go to on create, then make a space there, then go back to the repository under this file buycoins.amd, copy this initialization, go back to your project, paste it here. This, it should be on create method. So now we need to copy this method, right? This is going to establish a connection to Google Play. Then scroll down, come here, outside on create, paste it here. Since it's a method, a void method, paste it outside on create. Go back to the readme file. Now you need to show available products. Copy this file. Now you need to show available products to buy. Copy this code again, outside on create, paste it there. This method, it's going to show all the products, these ones, right? So now we need to add our product into this immutable list, right? This product list. So to do that, you need to go to your Google console under products and then copy the product IDs. So these are my product IDs 1, 2, 3, right? So I can come to this method and then paste the product ID there. This is one product. This is one product. Then you need to add a comma, add the second product, you add the third product. So this one is just my reference to know which product. There you go. So these are your three products. then they get added to this product list. Then this product list is going to like when you create a query product details params, then you set the product list here and then you build. Then therefore the billing client is going to query all the product details, then it's going to return a result as well as the list of products, right? So here I'm saying clear this product list. This one is just an empty product list array. Then I'm using a handler to delay this by 2 seconds while it's still returning the list of products. So after getting the list of products, I'm adding them into this product detail list. This product detail list is this array that we just declared here. Then after adding all the list of products into this product details list, then I'm preparing an adapter here. Then this adapter is taking the context as well as the product details and this activity. So this adapter, I'm setting it into a reset layer viewer, right? So then this reset layer viewer is going to display these number of products here. So you don't have to worry about how many products that you want to add here. So this is dynamic. It's going to list as much product as you want. That's the power of an adapter and a reset layer view. So we are delaying this for 2 seconds. I'll explain why we are delaying it with 2 seconds. So we move on to the I think it's the fifth step. Yes, the fifth step is to launch the purchase flow, right? So we need to copy this method and then paste it here. There are no errors there. Then we need to check. So after the fifth step is to verify or process our purchases, right? So we need to copy this code, then paste it here. Then this verify method is going to receive a purchase when a user they buy your product, right? They buy a product. Google Play is going to return the purchase. It's going to return the purchase. Then on this purchase, this is where you set the purchase token. Therefore, you need to consume this product, right? You need to consume this product so that the user can buy and buy and buy again unlimited times. So if you don't consume this product, Google Play is going to refund the user, right? It's going to refund the user. So and that's what you don't want, right? So you want to keep all the amount and give the user coins, right? So when you verify your product, we are checking whether the billing response is okay. Then you need to give the user the coins. Then we are passing these purchase into this method. So now we need to implement this method and see how we handle the giving of coins, right? So you can skip this one, then you can come and take this method, copy it, paste it here. So guys, this is the give user coins method. This method is very important to understand how you're gonna allocate coins to your users. So I'm gonna break it down to you in a minute, right? So it's receiving a purchase. What is this purchase? When a user purchase your product, right? They click purchase, then they confirm the payment. Then Google Play, it's going to return the purchase. Then the purchase is going to contain the product ID and the order ID, the time that the order was placed, and so on and so on. We will see when we are debugging this. So once you receive that, then you want to use a for loop to loop through this product ID, this product purchase, right? So here, as you can see, I'm using a for loop, right? So this for loop is going to loop 3 times. I'm using this product ID to get the size of the products that you defined, right? So we have got how many products? We have got 3 products here, right? So this loop is going to loop only 3 times. If you have 2 products like that, then it's going to loop 2 times. If you have 5, it's going to loop 5 times. Yes. So then inside the for loop, we have got an if statement, right? We have got an if statement. Then in an if statement, we are having a condition to compare the product ID. Therefore, for an example, I purchased this product, right? Then Google is going to return the purchase. Then this purchase is going to contain this product ID. Then I come here, I say if product ID, then you go to the purchase. Then inside the purchase, there's a method of getting the products. Then inside the products, then I get the product ID. This is the syntax to get the product ID. And then I compare it with this one, right? So this I is going to be the index of 0. Therefore, this one is going to loop at index 0. Then it's going to say true. This product ID is the same as this product ID that is returned from Google Play, right? So here I'm saying I'm using a shared preference. Then inside this shared preference, I want to save the number of coins the user bought, right? So if the user bought this product, then they will get 10 points. Then I'm saying go to index 0 of coins, which is this one, then take out that 10 and assign it and send it and save it to coins, which is the key coins, right? So for an example, if the user they have remaining coins, let me see, they have got these remaining coins, which is 47. Then these shared preference is going to get the index of the coins. Then it's going to add this 47 with this 10 right there, right? Therefore, I'm setting the number of coins into the text view, which is this one, right? So again goes to if they buy this product ID, then this loop is going to loop 3 times. Then when it gets to the last index, then it checks if this product is the same as that one. Then it goes to that, and then it's going to put 2 there. Then it's going to take these 50 coins and save them with the one that are locally saved, then save them to these coins. Yes, if you understand this, then you are ready to offer coins inside your app, right? So if you have got any questions or anything on this method, just shout out into the comment. I will help you out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. So now we move on, right? And then you go back to this one. This one is the step 7 that we skipped. We need to handle pending transactions. You copy that. Then this one is just on resume method. It's just on resume method. It simply means that if the user they were purchasing your product, they purchase this, they click that, then it's processing, then the app it crashes, right? The app it crashes while it was still purchasing. Then when the user they go back to buy coins activity, then this is what it does. It handles the pending purchase. Then it's going to repurchase the product and verify the payment. Then verifying the payment is the same thing, it's the same process. It's going to come here, then consume it. While it's consuming it, then it gives the user the coins, like that. So now you are done with your activity, right? So now it's time to fix these errors. So to fix these errors, the first thing that you're gonna need is to get this interface and the buy adapter. So go to your project, go to adapters and go to interface. So to get this adapter, the Bicon adapter, you need to go to the video description. I will post a link there. I will post a link, or you can just go back to this file, go at the bottom, then you will see buy recycler viewer adapt. Then you let it load. Then you will see this in-app purchase recycler viewer buy coins adapter. And then you can just purchase this using a PayPal. So if you can't purchase this, please let me know in the comments, so I will like send it to you, so we'll discuss on that one. So I already have um this thing, so I will log into my account. So I will go under downloads. So this is the archive that you need. Just download it. It's downloaded. It's right here. So you will need this adapter. Copy this adapter, go back to your project, under adapters, paste it there. Then another thing you need is the interface. Copy the interface, go back to your project, go to a folder, interfaces, paste it there. Then now go to your by activity, have over to interface, import the class, have over to by coins adapter, import. So now connection billing, then you can replace that with that. Verify purchase, where is it? Verify purchase, copy that, go up, then replace with that. Then we don't have errors here, we don't have errors. Then go back to the adapter. Then now what you're gonna need is this layout. Go back to the zip file, copy this layout, open up resource layout, paste it there. Then when you go back there, the errors, they are gone. So now it's time for testing the application. So yeah, this is the application. Then as you can see, I would like to go to the locate. Then we testing the application by coins. Then it's going to list the number of coins. So these are the coins, right? These are the coins that we have defined. Then if I click that, then it's showing the 17 rand and 20 coins. I tap, I buy successfully, then it's going to update that. See that? So then let me go back to the activity. As you can see, this one is it gets the ID. The ID is what? It's 20. Then the number of quantity is 1, right? So then this one is the balance. It gets the current balance, which it was 99. Then allocating, it was allocating 20, which is this step. Then 20 plus 90 is this total. Then is that new total. So we can come and see how this works. So guys, if you like the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this side, you can come and purchase this recycler viewer. So this is a way of supporting me, guys. It's not like I'm selling this thing, but if you know how to implement a recycler viewer and adapter, so you're mostly welcome to do that. But this one is a way of supporting me. Thank you.